So I just, this is actually the transmission housing cover. Just look at how it looks like. I got that from the inside as well. I know it looks bad, but that's actually a really good sign. That tells me that the owner of the truck always lubricated. And, you know, seeing from all around, all the joints had a lot of grease on them. So everything was at least greased properly. And usually people that grease things, you know, if the joints go around the truck doing that, they usually take care of the most important things, or other things that are more important. Now I'm going to see if I want to look at what the transmission looks like, or the clutch looks like inside. I'm hearing a little bit of a weird noise when I step on it. Not while I'm driving, but when I step on it. So I don't know if that's normal, or I'm going to take a look and find out. What I don't like is this stuff here. That's that shiny liquidy stuff there. That looks like gear oil. So I think there is a bit of gear oil leaking through the input shaft seal and onto the clutch. So the clutch might be slipping a little bit. I mean, it's not slipping yet, at least, but it's not good to have oil on the clutch. That's pretty crazy. Well, certainly a lot of grease in there for sure. So this here is the this here fitting is for the bearing inside that thing. There's a bearing, a throwout bearing, and yeah, it does look like we're leaking a bit of oil. I'll see it right there. You can see, but everything here looks perfectly fine. Clutch itself doesn't. Everything there appears to be pretty dry, so looks like no leaks. Sorry, I mean nothing on the clutch actually. Jesus, a cast iron clutch plate. Holy Christ! Look at the size and the quantity of springs on that thing. And there's another grease fitting here. And that, I believe, is for the shaft. A lot of grease there. Alright, so that seems to be okay.